Hi children, I'm Pratyusha. How are you? I'm sure you might be doing well. In our previous class, we have discussed the uses of plants. So you got to know how useful plants are, right? As plants are very useful to us, we have to take care of them. So today we shall discuss on taking care of plants. We humans need some basic things to live like food, water, shelter, and clothes. In the same way, plants also have some basic needs. Let us see what are the needs of a plant. The first thing is water. As we need water to live, in the same way, plants do need water. So, we have to water the plants. If you feel thirsty, do you drink a jug of water or do you drink as per your necessity? We drink water as per our necessity, right? Like a glass or half glass of water at a time. In the same way, we must not pour excess amount of water to plants. We must water the plants as per their requirement. When we water the plants, we have to water the roots, that is at the bottom of the stem. We must not water from the top of a plant. We have to provide water at regular intervals like once in a day. The best time to water the plants is either in the morning or in the evening. If we water the plants at noon, due to the intensity of sun, the water gets evaporated quickly. The next need of a plant is air. Just like we need air for respiration, plants do need air for respiration and to prepare their own food. During the respiration, plants take in oxygen and leave out carbon dioxide. But during daytime, when plants prepare their own food, they need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and carbohydrates. So, during daytime, they take in carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen when they prepare their food. The next need of a plant is sunlight. Sunlight is essential for plants to prepare their own food. So, we have to make sure that plants get sunlight. The next need of a plant is soil. Just like we need minerals and nutrients, plants also need minerals and nutrients. From where do plants get minerals and nutrients? The roots of the plants absorb minerals and nutrients from the soil and transmit to other parts of the plant. So, soil is essential for the plants to get minerals and nutrients. The next need of a plant is space. As 2 or 3 people can't sit on one chair, in the same way, many plants can't grow healthy if they are crowded at a particular place. When we plant plants, we have to make sure that there is gap between the plants. If there is gap between the plants, the roots can absorb sufficient quantity of nutrients from the soil and the plant grows healthy. If so many plants are crowded at a place, all the plants do not get sufficient amount of nutrients and minerals. So, they will grow smaller. Let us recall the needs of a plant. The 5 needs of a plant are water, air, sunlight, soil, and space. Among these, the most important are first 4. What are they? Water, air, sunlight, and soil. All these are the basic things that we have to provide for plants. Now, let us see some more measures of taking care of plants. We have to provide manure to plants. What is this manure? Manure is the excretion of animals or the decomposed dead plants. Excretion of animals can be used as manure. What is the use of this manure? This manure improves the nutrient holding capacity of soil. Just like we eat fruits and vegetables to get vitamins, this manure increases the nutrients quantity in the soil. If we provide manure to plants, the plants grow in a healthy manner. Next, we have to spray insecticides on plants. What are these insecticides? Sometimes we see that plants get damaged by the insects. If we fall sick, we take medicine to recover our health. In the same way, if plants are damaged or get affected by insects, we have to spray these insecticides. Insecticides are just like a medicine to plants. Insecticides kill the insects on plants which cause damage to them. Next, fence. We have to protect the plants by making a fence around them so that people and animals do not pluck them. Next, do not pluck. Leaves and flowers of plants should not be plucked. Trees should not be cut as far as possible. In case if a tree is to be cut, a new plant should be planted to replace it. Next, do not step on plants. On the way, when you are walking, if you find some plants, we must not step on them. As they are tiny and weak, they may die. So, do not step on plants. The final thing is plantation. We have to plant trees. Every year, new saplings should be planted and looked after with care and attention. I hope that you plant new saplings and take care of them. Thank you, children.